Welcome back to Cholla Farm, where every bird counts and every step has purpose. Today's focus is on two major poultry management practices, that is weighing our improved Kienyeji layers and culling our older birds. Before we begin, we always prep our birds the healthy way. Here, we are harvesting fresh Azolla, one of the most nutritious superfoods for poultry. It's a great natural protein supplement that boosts digestion, immunity, and egg quality. Alongside that, we've added antistress solution in their drinking water. This helps calm the birds before handling, whether it's for weighing, culling, or vaccinations. It reduces shock, keeps their systems balanced, and helps avoid unnecessary weight loss or egg drop. Now onto the weighing. Most people assume layers start laying all at once, but that's not the case with improved Kienyeji breeds. Birds mature at slightly different rates. Weighing helps us identify which birds are ready to enter laying production and which ones need more time. It helps reduce feed wastage by ensuring only the laying ready birds are fed layer feed, while the others are maintained on a more cost-effective grower or holding feed. Just as I've mentioned before, improved Kienyeji layers don't all start laying at once. That's why we weigh them to identify which birds have hit the ideal laying weight. Typically, birds between 1.5 kgs to 1.8 kgs are ready or very close to laying. Birds below that still need time. Feeding layer mash to immature birds is wasteful and costly. One point four five, and 1.3. Next up is culling. Culling is a hands-on technique used to check if a hen is ready to lay. We gently insert 2 fingers at the hen's pelvic area to fill the space between the pelvic bones. If that gap can fit 3 fingers comfortably and the vent is moist, soft and expanded, that's a good sign she's actively laying or about to start. But if the pelvic bones are tight with just a 1 or maybe 2 finger gap, and the vent is dry or small, she's not in production. That bird is placed on a holding list for monitoring or culling. Some of the birds you'll notice have lost feathers, especially around the neck, wings, or tail. This is totally normal and is part of a process called molting. Molting is when hens temporarily stop laying to shed old feathers and regrow new ones. It's their natural reset button. During this time, they need extra care, plenty of clean water, balanced feed, and less stress. So they bounce back stronger and resume laying when ready. But as you can see, these are our old birds, and we just need to get rid of the ones that are not laying so that at least we can sell them. Okay? Yeah. After checking each hen, we count and separate them into 2 categories: those still laying and those that have stopped or are too old to be productive. The laying hens are returned to their coop and continue on layer feed, while the non-laying ones are moved to a different room. By weighing, culling and separating layers from non-layers, we avoid feed wastage and improve egg production. Every step we take at Cholla Farm is intentional for the health of our flock and the growth of our farm. Thanks for watching and being part of our journey. Don't forget to subscribe for real live farming content. And please, if you need birds for meat or eggs, we've got you covered. Till next time.